Do you want to create content that actually converts? You simply need to have the perfect call to action. I'm going to tell you all the ones that work for me. First off, stop saying follow for more. Yes, I do say it in some of my posts and my content, but I'm not looking for it to convert to a sale. First of all, it's extremely vague. And if you do use it, you want to have a specific outcome. Follow for more business tips like this. Follow for more recipes like this. If you want to monetize your account, if you want to make money here on social media, you have to give a specific call to action and direction for where you want your audience to go. Tell them to send you a DM. Tell them to send you a message, direct them into the comments and start the conversation. Make your video short and simple and direct them into the caption where they have to read more, and that's where they get all the juicy value. But then end it with a call to action, directing them to DM or comments so that way they can directly have a conversation with you and learn how to work with you. And there you can learn about their experiences, what they're going to learn from working with you, what is going to be the outcome after working with you. I want you to send me a DM after you implement this into your strategy and share your success, because I know you're going to see success. Don't think, just do it. And if you're like, oh my gosh, well, I don't know what to say in the DMs, then just comment access and I'll send you my exact script.